I'm nervous for the big reveal. Like, what kind of mess are we gonna be finding here? Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh, gracious.
Ants.
Ant attack. Bunch of dead bees.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Ruined?
Nothing's ruined, babe.
You would think a bee could, like, eat an ant. Kill an ant, fight it.
They're so fast, though.
What?
They're so fast, though.
Yeah, but I mean, there's that many bees in there, that many ants in there.
It doesn't help that we haven't maintained the lawn either out here. Last year, didn't we put like Vaseline on the legs to help with the ants?
I should have been out here months ago.
Oh, yeah, we know. Nothing on that.
This might be a very quick process.
Yeah.
There might not be anything left here to split.
It's crazy because last year, every single one of these was full.
Well, we harvested. So we put empty frames in there. It's just, are they taking the wax to move it to a new place because the ant?
Just, yeah, firmly shake it.
What we got going on there?
Queen, maybe?
Well, it's new comb that they're building. That's a lot of new comb. Glad I cut that. They were starting to connect them.
Mm-hmm.
Sally doesn't know bee suits.
She doesn't. I waved at her, but she still thinks we're bad people.
This is a nice solid frame. Completely full of wax. It doesn't look like it has honey in it. Honey pollen, right? Honey at the top, pollen on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. See no larva.
Split the hive, you're looking for larvae.
Like one of everything.
Uh-oh.
Whoops.
Should I knock it off onto the ground?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. That's doesn't look like honey or anything. Uh-oh.
Injury.
I was like, I hope her stinger's not in that wood. And now they're gonna smell a stinger. I was looking more hopeful than when I first opened it.
That's a weird noise.
Choo, choo, choo. That's the next noise they'll make.
Is it a woodpecker? Or what is it?
I don't know what kind of bird it is. That's a honey. That's one of the old swarm trap frames.
Yeah. Let's see, what is that?
Jumped on me. So far, frames of honey. Really, not much pollen in them. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 frames. Not 100% full of honey. Honey, honey, honey. Honey and ants.
Mm-hmm. Yum.
So far, the frames have been coming out pretty nice too, though. honey. There's a larva.
Yahoo!
There's, well, maybe. Are they a dead larva?
She just is not going to stop barking.
That was a clean sheet. Larva. So I think these caps are in metamorphosis. Cool. We have larva. That one actually smells like honey.
Yeah, it smells kind of like old honey.
Oh, it is. It's last year's honey. I'm hoping because I've destroyed the ant nest, they've got all their panic chemical going on to get rid of their eggs and get them to a safe place. That they scent trail evacuate. All right, 4 frames left.
All right. You're not seeing anything in the bottom that looks suspicious?
No, just bees, and it's clean on the bottom. So they're doing a good job of housekeeping. Have not seen a queen cell. A bee just took off with an ant egg.
Nice. Drop it in the ocean.
All these ant eggs. See them?
Yep.
That's why the bees can't get to it. Great. That comb. Shared frames. Their first honey mess.
So now they gotta clean it.
Can you see those larvae eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Still don't see a queen cell. Which is, I guess, a good thing.
Yeah, I mean, that's fine.
If they had a queen cell, that means they were looking for a new queen, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they're happy with their queen.
We're ready to split, which I think they already probably did. We just missed it.
I don't know. With the scan attack and there being empty frames, they did have a full. The reason they split is because they're overcrowded.
Yeah.
Having 5 empty frames, they're not overcrowded.
Mm.
Another honey massacre. This one's going to be bad, I think.
It always is on this side. I think it's just not level enough where it sinks into the ground randomly. With rain.
Last year it was the other side.
Oh.
But we harvested the honey from there because those were the worst ones.
Mm.
Good boy. Oh, darn, I hit a larva cell. Oh, I'm hitting larva cells. I feel terrible. I don't know how to get this out without. I mean, those are fully developed larvae.
Yeah.
You got eyes and everything.
Well,
Do I need to get them
can't
out?
go back now. Yeah. Because I gotta shift everything over anyway and move those this way, put some blanks over there.
If it's not long enough to reach all the way down to cut this.
Yeah.
Try to get myself a little bit more room. So you want blanks on both ends?
Mm-hmm. That'd be cool.
Do you think if we moved a frame of honey and a frame of larva and all that other stuff without a queen cell that they would make a queen cell?
Sure. Worth a shot. One of the videos I watched said that they didn't know if there was the situation of the queen, and that's what they did, and it worked out for them. But they moved. What the heebies?
The other side. And it's banking. Here's the next case. There's a spider jet that goes too.
Think that's the Prez?
No, they're practicing.
Oh man, they are so low.
Yeah. I asked my brother about it.
Oh, now they're coming back.
Yeah. Well, he zigzags on either side.
Do not crash over my farm.
Oh no, he's coming back.
Yeah, he's fully coming back. He's doing like a circle or something.
Yeah. So what Adam said is usually you'll see the fighter jets zip and they're taking out the anti-aircraft. And then the A-10s flank and they take out any armor. And the big carriers are carrying paratroopers. And so
They're so agile.
yeah.
They're so low.
For how big they are
And they're
too.
huge.
But yeah,
I'm sure
so
the
that
camera's
way,
not
like,
picking
if you
anything
had a
up, but-
defensive line, you penetrate that line and get behind it doing that. And you do that multiple spots down a battle line and the line collapses. So that's what they're practicing. They're practicing breaking battle lines.
Okay, well, again, don't be crashing on my farm.
Happens often. But that's also why the A-10s came at the farm. Because in a battle scenario, this is where the soldiers would be.
Yeah, they're always using our house as like a,
Or me.
or you physically. Oh, there's bodies over there. Let's take them out. Pew, pew. It's just rude.
Yeah, this is going to be a mess. Because it's already... Okay, cool. It wasn't that bad. So this doesn't have very much larva in it.
Okay.
Um,
I mean, these might be little queen cells there. Nubbins? Maybe. I don't know. I can't tell.
oh, the nubs?
Yeah.
Maybe.
They're not protruding as much as I would have. Like, that's so obvious that, oh, yeah, there's a queen cell.
Well, you want to pop this one in the other hive?
Sure.
Open up the hive. Because it has some mature larvae in there. Has a little bit of honey.
Oh, one handing.
Maybe not so much ants.
Oh, you are not supposed to be in there.
Yes.
Make sure. Well, you gone now.
I flipped them off. Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I saw him go underneath in my mind. Oh, there he is.
No.
Oh, yep.
Oh,
there he is.
Okay.
Here, babe.
What's your next frame you want? You want this nice sheet frame?
Sure. I think I had this one marked to go. Oh, that's lovely.
Lots of it.
Yeah, like so small though. Oh, I'm getting a flyby.
Oh, and then, so this is 2 sheets with larvae on it.
And then we'll just pick one of the big honey ones.
And then you're good?
Yep.
Well, what's fit? See, that's what makes me think there's these on the bottom. Come on. Sticking my hand in a viper. That's not a queen cell, though. If I wasn't wearing the suit, they'd be stinging me right now. Can you come up my face?
I'm trying. A lot of juice left in here.
They were just liking the cover of that tree. Alright. So this is what we got. I think I want to whack that nubbin off. That hanger.
Mm-hmm.
Oh geez, there's a bunch down there too. A bunch of those bulges.
Gotta do what we gotta do. out of time, though.
I know. I'm the one sticking my hand in the
I
thing.
know. Both getting hit pretty hard. They're like, we've given you 30 minutes. You're done.
Well, I think it's those things on the bottom that's really pissing them off.
They love my phone.
What point are we gonna hit honey? Like which one frame?
I think it's over here.
Okay. Come on, get out between. Oops. Just kind of slowly close the gate and put pressure on their backs, and then they start to run. Yeah, I thought the ants were going to be all in, but they had sealed up between all of these slats, and the ants couldn't get down into the honey. That was kind of cool. This one? Or
Yeah,
keep going?
probably. It's good.
Well, it's still going to be heavy.
Can we lid this, please? We're still gonna be what?
Heavy on the empty frames on one side. We didn't balance it.
See how that experiment goes.
They're coming in and out. At least they're coming out. Everyone just chill. Chill. I did my two.
Bench.
We'll end up with 6 empty frames on one end now.
I have 10 minutes left on my memory for my video.
Well, I'm almost done. And then we just have to shove it all back. Come on, gotta get out of there.
Woo. All right. We did our.
I got a bee messing with me, so don't get too close to my face.
Oh, okay. I'll summarize. This is 1 out of 2 beehive visits that we do a year.
I'll
We're
probably do
super
more this year.
novice.
We'll do more this year
Yeah.
because they'll have more honey to harvest this year, so there'll be a couple trips.
Yeah. So what we did was we attempted to split a hive in the most novice way possible, which is just picking some frames from our OG hive. How many frames are in that hive? 15? 6?
I think they're 20 frame hives.
20? Oh, 22 I think it is actually. I don't know. A lot of frames. We picked 3 of them from the OG, put them in a brand new one, and we'll just see what happens. But we'll close it up here. And we got a cool, oh, I'm blocking the camera. We got a cool visit from the
Air Force.
U.S. military. Would it be the Air Force or would it be the
That's
Army?
the Air Force.
Air Force. Because we have an Army base close and the Air Force close. But yes, you're right. Those are airplanes. Those are air vehicles.
Helicopters could be Army, but not airplanes.
Yeah, they're really cool. I hope they picked up on the video. I doubt they did. Like, they were just, I've never seen them that close to the ground out here before. They're around every single day, but usually it's like what's the triangle shaped one?
B-2 bomber.
B-2 bombers. Usually it's those, and they're pretty high up. They're not doing any cool maneuvers, but there were like 5 of them today doing really cool stuff. So,
Oh, you came at my face. You were going for the eye.
the breath. So anyway, we'll get out of these bees' hair. Hopefully they settle in. Hopefully everything worked out. Obviously we need to come back probably tomorrow or later today and weed and put some Vaseline around the legs of the hive so that ants stop crawling in there and bugging them. But thanks for following us along, and we'll catch you next week. Bye.
Night.